YouTube, what is up? Josh here with JCS Customs coming at you with another video today. It is now the weekend. We are that much closer to Christmas, and I hope everyone is having a great day so far. So today we're actually going to be following up to the Camaro spoiler decisions video that I made a few days ago. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. You may see a spoiler on there that you like. You know, find the one that you want to put on your car. It actually looks like this. So yeah. Can't click on this, but go burn it up. So I read through the comments on YouTube, and I actually did a poll on Instagram. You can see the Instagram there. So when I went to bed last night, I had 500 something followers, like 532. When I woke up this morning, I had over 900. So like my Instagram blew up overnight, but hey, I'm not complaining. So that's another plus. So after reading the comments and pulling the poll numbers, I had over 100 people vote on the polls. It's crazy because actually only 3 people didn't vote for the one that won. So vast majority of people voted for this one, and I can't blame them. It looks really good and it's really sharp. So the one that is going to be put on the car in the next few weeks, coming weeks, is the Icon Motorsports Z01 wing you see up here. It looks fantastic, looks sharp, and apparently, you know, that won people over is super cheap and painted already. So we're going to put it on the car. So keep a watch out for that video coming out in the next few weeks. It won't be a simple install because it is not a direct bolt-on. I will have to drill extra holes. I will have to probably redo some of my stripes as far as pulling my stripes further back on the trunk, and filling some holes in the trunk too. So yeah, got to find out which way is the best way to do that. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching YouTube. You see that little thing down there, that new little thing I did? Looks pretty cool. So until next time, have a good weekend. Peace out.